Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share the October Flavors of the Month kit. The Flavors of the Month is the bigger of our kits. It includes 4 brand new collections, including cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments, everything you need to get started creating. We also have 3 add-ons, the cardstock, pattern paper, embellishment add-ons, if you want more product, and also the Shots of Life, which is our pocket page scrapbooking kit, coordinates with the flavors of the month, so it can give you more pattern paper and embellishments as well. Along with your flavors of the month, you have access to 4 recipe cards. These are double page layouts designed by our design team. They give you their cutting and assembly instructions and a full color photograph of the finished layout so you can create right along with them. And as a subscriber, you also get access to a free exclusive cut file designed just for us. This is the awesome Trick or Treat cut file that's available this month for you to download and use as you create with your kits. So you can see you get a lot of bang for your buck when you subscribe to the kits from the Scrap Room. So this month we have 4 collections, like I mentioned. We have Bella Boulevard, Spell on You, Fancy Pants Designs, Memory Lane, which is an awesome kind of heritage collection, Maggie Holmes Parasol, and Pink Fresh Good Times. So we can have some Halloween, some fall, some heritage, and just some downright yumminess. So let's dig in. We're going to take a closer look at everything you're going to get this month with your Flavors of the Month kit. The first collection we're going to look at is Spell on You from Bella Boulevard. So this is full of their fun, whimsical icons that they're so well known for. You're going to start with 2 sheets of black cardstock. Then we have this pattern paper called Beautiful Night, and it is the owls on the moon, the clouds. We have a little bat and the spider hanging from the cloud on the purple. The back is a gray diamond. This paper called Spellcaster, which is the large stripes. All of the colors from this collection. The back is a 2-toned orange with jack-o'-lanterns. Then we have this one called Spooky Skulls. So they have the skulls with their cute little bows. The back is a turquoise polka dot. So one more look at the patterned paper. For your embellishments, you're going to get some of the die cut pieces. So these will vary among the kits, but you can see there are a ton of them and they're all super cute. Bella Boulevard does a great job. You're also going to get some of the epoxy stickers. So these were the ones that I received. So that's a look at Bella Boulevard, Spell on You. Our next collection is Memory Lane from Fancy Pants. This is geared towards heritage scrapbooking. So it's perfect if you want to document some older photos, but you can also use it for anything. Love the soft muted colors. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of dark craft cardstock. This paper called Simple Times is this beautiful floral. Love this kind of Williamsburg smoky blue. The back is a blue polka dot. This paper, Remember When, which is beautiful florals and stuff on a wood grain. Again, just beautiful soft colors. The back is that blue with a white polka dot. Have this paper called Tiny Acorns, which are tiny little acorns on the blue. The back is this gorgeous plaid, which has that camel brown and the kind of the smoky Williamsburg blue. So one more look at your patterned papers. For your embellishments, you're going to get a variety of the die cuts. So you can tell several of these are a nod to the heritage. We have Remember, we have what could be like the tree, the family tree, yesterday, photographs right now, the little cameo. Super cute. You're also going to get a row of enamel dots. Now the colors will vary on the enamel dots. All of the embellishments will vary, but that gives you a good idea of what you'll get in your kit. So that is Memory Lane from Fancy Pants. Our next collection we're going to look at is Parasol from Maggie Holmes. So you can see it's the typical colors, the florals, everything screams Maggie Holmes. You're going to start with 2 sheets of Fig Swirl. We have this paper with her beautiful florals and that background of that blue-green, just gorgeous. This is a fun take on a grid design, so this is with ribbons and bows. This paper, Free to Fly, is the butterflies and the little greenery. The back is a diagonal stripe in blue. Then we have Life is Sweet, which is a stripe in all of the different colors. The back is a white heart on pink. Super sweet, beautiful colors. For your embellishments, you're going to get 1/4 of a sheet of the thickers. So all your embellishments will vary, but has some words you could use for titles, a beautiful floral, and then you're also going to receive some of the die cut pieces. So these are the ones that I got. Again, they will all vary, but that's a good sample. So that is Maggie Holmes' Parasol. The final collection we're going to look at is Good Times from Pink Fresh, and I love this. It's a fall collection, but it's not your typical browns and oranges and, yellows and golds. Even though it has those colors, they're muted down. It adds in a little bit of the pink and the soft blue, some purple. So I just love the colors in this collection. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock. This paper called Simple Pleasures, which has the yellow flower. You can interpret that as like a sunflower. I love that. The back is another floral print on green. We have this paper called Good Day with the stripes of all the different colors in this collection. The back is a green and gray plaid. The last paper is Cozy Up, which has the fall leaves in all of the different colors. The back is a 2-toned green. We have the leaf here and polka dots. Just gorgeous. Just look at those B-sides. Oh my goodness. This is going to be so fun to create with. For the embellishments, you're going to get a variety of the die cut pieces, so all of the embellishments will vary. You'll also get a row of enamel dots, so those colors will vary. I got kind of that pinkish color. And then you're also going to get some of the chipboard frames. So again, all of the embellishments will vary, but you'll get a good sample of things like that. So that is Good Times from Pink Fresh. One more look at the 4 collections in this month's Flavor of the Month kit. Don't forget to check out the 3 add-ons available, as well as the Shots of Life, which coordinates and can give you more options. And check out all the other individual items in the store. There's a lot that Rochelle has in there. Don't forget to download your free cut file and your free recipe cards. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.